Hello Team 6, welcome to our class number 22, which is the assignment. You're going to work on these slides, so you need to click on where it says Team 6 Time Capsule Project. When you click on it, this will open. On slide number 1, you can see Miss Anna talking to you. She says, click on my notebook and follow the instructions. So if you are watching this video, it's because you have clicked on the notebook. So now pay attention and follow the instructions so that you learn how to complete the assignment. On this slide, there is nothing to do, so do not touch anything. Click on number 2, and here you have some information about the project. It's a brief introduction to it, where what a time capsule is explained. Okay, so just some information for you to read. Here, if you click on slide number 1, you can start working. If you click on each square where you have something to complete, you're going to be able to write your answers. Okay, so here you type the date, here you type your age, and where it says paste current photo of you, I would like you to put a photo, yes, of you in a place where you like, maybe your favorite place in the house, okay, doing an activity that you enjoy. How you're going to do this? You need to go here where it says insertar imagen, subir desde la computadora, and there you're going to choose the file, ¿sí? La carpeta donde nosotros tengamos guardados en nuestras compus fotos, ¿ok? Si es posible que sea actual durante este periodo. Once you have done this, you're going to put the photo there, okay? You can work on it. Once you have finished this, click on number 4. Slides 4 and 5 are quite similar. Here you have a list of questions for you to answer. Here, describe your life in this quarantine period. Pay attention to the structure, pay attention to the tense. You can work with your glossaries. You can look up words in the online dictionary so that you can write as accurately as possible. So these are slides number 4 and 5. Let's continue with slide number 6. It says how I'm feeling. So if you click on each square, you can complete the information. For example, think of a word to describe your lifestyle and say why. We have studied some adjectives to describe lifestyle, so you can choose one and you justify your answer. You can do the same with the rest. Then, in slide number 7, which is quite interesting, I'm not stuck at home, I'm safe at home, we are going to work on some experience. So, let's read number 1. Number 1 says, think about how your life has changed. Listen to this teacher who lives in London telling us about her life before and during quarantine. Click on the speaker. So if you click on the speaker here, you are going to listen to a friend of mine. Her name is Amalia, and she has lived in London for about 10 years. She's married, she's got 2 children, and as she's a teacher, she teaches her students from home, and she's also homeschooling her own kids. So this is quite interesting. So let's listen to her story in London. So here, there is nothing to do, just listening comprehension. So what you are going to do, what you're supposed to do. Let's read number 2. Now make your own speech following this guideline. So here I included some questions, and you don't have to answer them here Okay, please do not write the answers here because the idea is that you think about these questions and answers and you can write them down on a separate sheet of paper. Escribimos las ideas, las respuestas de estas preguntas para luego armar algo similar a lo que hizo Amalia, describir nuestra vida before and during quarantine. So, how are you going to record your speech? You're going to click on this link that says vukaru.com, which will take you to this website. So here, once you have written your speech, you press on the red button. Okay, you talk for a while. There is no need to talk for a long time, but be clear, give as much information as possible. Once you have finished, yes, you're going to press the same button and click on where it says Save and Share. If you click there, you have a link. Copy, and you go back to the slide and you paste it here. You see? And once you have handed in your project, I will be able to listen to you. Quite interesting. And then in our last slide, you're going to write a message to your future self. As you can see, here you have Misana nowadays working on her computer. And this is Misana in the future drinking some coffee. And I hope she can enjoy her life reading a book. Okay, so here in the middle, you're going to write Dear Me. And I want you to express yourself. Write a message of about 100, 120 words describing your life, expressing your feelings. Yes, something that you may want to remember about this period that we are going through. Let's try to be positive. Let's try to think or to focus on the things we have learned, of the good things that we are going through, that now we have time, okay, to do with our family, with ourselves. Okay, so once you have finished, yes, you will be able to hand in the presentation. Okay, so as I am a teacher, I do not have the button here, but you will have the option to hand in the presentation, entregar la presentación. If there is any problem, any question, you can contact us, you can contact Misana or Miss Lu so that we can help you with your presentation. But the idea is that you click on each slide and you can complete the information. Yes? Once you do this, you press the button para enviar la presentación. Okay? I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can do your best, and we are quite willing to listen to you and to read your answers. Bye-bye.